Here we come to the elevator at the education building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is an older hydraulic elevator. There we go. The button's a little bit sticky. This is Adams Fixtures. And I can hear it coming down. Here comes a golf cart.
It's a motorcycle.
Oh yeah. Oh, and it's just stopped. And it's here. It's got our cab view.
Ooh, this is nice. This is nice and original.
This is vintage. Probably a Montgomery at one point.
Has a modern fan though.
Maybe. Let's go down to 1.
I think this skips 4 3.
Yeah, it does. We go on to 1. No floor passing chime. Here's our fan. That's an older fan. But let's go up to 5. And the door closes when you push the button.
It goes from 1 to 5. This is a pretty high hydraulic. 5 floors is pretty tall for a hydro. You can see a smidget of the old capacity indicator. Is that originally 2,000 pounds, it looks like, but it looks like they probably put in a more modern motor. So the capacity is now 4,000 pounds.
Yeah. There we go. We are on 4. Let's see if there's a bell we can ring.
No, it's 5. It skips it.
Oh yeah, we're on 5. Let's go down to 2, and the door closes button. The door closes when you push the button. Capacity 4,000 pounds. Used to be 2,000 pounds. This is a very high hydraulic. 5 floors. I mean, it's pretty darn high. And here we come down to 2. We're skipping 3 right now. Adams Fixtures, Vandal Resistant. Adams Fire Service, or EPCO. And here we are on 2. Adams floor indicator. No bell. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.